I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.
Bracy, you some stay clean. Me full of sauce like baked bean. The girl them love me now my straight jeans. Right, that's why you hear that be Vybz in the man. Govana, how are you being with? Brace. Right now, charge. You take a freeze off that. Yeah, people, me I tell you. Just check that video. And me I tell you, be Vybz, the amount of woman when I see, the amount of girl when I see, every type, every shape, every cocoa, yeah, caramel, yeah. Me I tell you, the summer look active in the people. I love the vibration of the music industry in the man. Yeah, the man them a find it. Yeah, me nah go round. Baked bean, people if you don't see it, they need to go check it out. They need to check out baked bean. You know what I mean? The girl love to see me in my straight jeans. Yeah, Govana. Yeah, govern the thing. Yeah, cause see it there. You and down I go sabama find it. How maybe it breeze, secularize, said afraid it freeze. And it hit the whole place there, so. A Jenna thing, that's how we do everything. Yeah, man, people. So, me want to know. We need to check it out. We need to go look on it. Baked bean. Yeah, man, to work. The video quality nice. The charge vocal, the charge metaphorical senses, it well put together. I talk about properly constructed. One of them, the girl song, I not go around. The girl song are bad. Then, at the gangster them song to and I have a body song. We need to check it out. I can't ever say nothing. We need to see it for yourself. Just tell people them son hear it from me first. The Grizzly Bear. From Bear Vybz TV. You have to tell a friend, tell a family, tell everybody, tell her this jacket. Make her want know who not have it yet, you need to get it, cause that tune have to play in a dance. Cause me some man a love shell party, you know, when time them tune a drop in energy, you know, you see me I say. Yeah man, all out through her. Yeah man, out through her, I'm a virgin man. The man they know say the thing that normal. You see me I say, the man they love when time the tune them a drop in the thing, so. High energy, cause I don't know the man they are going already about it, you know. So I have to know how Una go on about it, how Una feel about it, and have to tell me. And then guess what go on now? It's a pool settings. Girl them in a bikini and shorts and the Jenna just a go on easy, real pimp way. You see me? So me want to know how you think about how you feel about it if the charge could have go hard up on the pool scene or him alright or him just chill and just a easy. You see me? And then the charge goes so boom club settings a beer sparkle and pretty and beer thing and the girl them just a party and everything just nice and you know what I mean, it's just a happy vibration, it's a good look. You know Jamaica they on the rise, you know what I mean? Brand Jamaica just it's a global element. I take the man them a take over. Them ready for the thing. Jamaica the hot spot or the hit strip or the place to be. My fans them, I would love to know and I would like to know. You know, so relate with me. Tell me you want to think about baked bean. Govana, career look bright, Jenna. Hotter than a gutter bread. You see it? Right there. Yeah man, I love the video. We just check it out. So, you people, you need to check it out. Network make you get work. You know what I mean? So you just need to do that something there. You don't know it's Grizzly Bear, Bear Vybz TV. This is my views and baked bean. If you agree with me, if you get a one up, make me know what I go on. Yeah. Jenna thing. So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Bear Facts, Bear Vybz TV, and I'm out.
I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.